Hello everybody and welcome back to Nagin Academy. Today we are going to learn about time expressions in present perfect, which are super important. The first one is recently. Next one is yet. Next one is just. Next one is already, ever, before, up to now, still, so far, and as you know, as for and since. These two are very common. So these are the points. Let me change the color. For recently, you have to, let's say, use it in negative sentences, and also in questions. So negative sentence and questions. And yet always should be used in questions and at the end of the sentence. And just, already, and ever, they all can be used in questions and in negative sentences. Questions, and negative sentences. And for and since, as you know, which are the two most common sentences, should be used for, excellent, very good, with a length of time, or we could say the duration, and since should be used with a point in time, with a point in time. What do I mean is that, for instance, we have to say for 2 weeks, because here we have a length of time, a duration of time, and or we could say for 3 hours, or we can say for 6 months. These are all lengths of time. But whenever we have since, we have to say since I was born. Here I have a point in time, or since I was 4 years old. Or also I can say since 2001, or I can say since Monday. That's it. All of them are time expressions in present perfect. Bye for now.